Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Today's video is going to be a muffler delete on my 2014 Vw Passat. It's trying to make it actually sound like a diesel. It doesn't sound like anything, it sounds like shit. So we're going to be taking the muffler off today, and I'm going to be doing a full DPF clean, as you would call it, the old cleaner. That'll be coming soon, so we're gonna get to taking the muffler off now. So this is got it up on some stands or ramps or whatever, using a jack just in case that fails. But we're gonna look under here. There's the big old muffler. Make these cars sound like nothing. Doesn't even sound like a diesel. But all this canister garbage is going to be cleaned in the near future. Not sure when. It's getting cold here, so my garage is full with my other truck, so I'm not sure when I'll get to that. But we're going to put a turn down pipe right about here. So it'll be almost like an axle dump on a Volkswagen Passat. So that'll be cool if that's your type of thing you're interested in. But I gotta try and figure out where I'm gonna cut this muffler out, so I'll get to that now. Okay, tried to get these bolts out that are right there, but they ain't coming off, and then this has an oxygen sensor or whatever it is right there, so I'm just gonna cut this fucker right here. Cut it there. Should come out all the way down there. Might have to cut it again, but that's where it's happening right now, is it's cutting it out. So alright, got her out. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to reuse this hanger. I'm gonna have to cut that off there and put it on the new pipe. So let's get to doing that now. Okay, got the piece cleaned up. As good as you can get. And I'm gonna weld it on. I'm not gonna show that, so yeah. Get the welding it on and let it cool down, and then I'll get the next part and show you on the car. Okay, got it all welded up. I'm not the greatest welder, but that should do. So let's put it on the car now, see what it looks like. Okay, got it on the car. This is what it looks like. Might be a little dark, but it's getting darker out here now, so I just need a clamp for it. That's all in there. So let's do a sound test now. Let's see what the sound difference is. I'll start my wife's car up. She has the same vehicle and didn't get a sound before on this car, but she has the same TDI, so let's go see what hers sound like, and then we'll start this one up. This is what the same car sounds like. Can't really hear nothing. So that's the before. Now we'll go start my car up, see what it sounds like. I have the luxury of push button start, so let's give that a shot. Doesn't really sound too much different. Maybe if you get on the gas a little bit, it might sound a little bit better, but try. Yeah, this is a little bit of a rev up. Not really sure if it sounds any different, but I just get bored with shit, so I just start taking things apart. So that's a muffler delete on your common rail Volkswagen TDI Passat 2014. If you, I'm still gonna try and get this thing deleted or cleaned in the future, so that's coming up. I'm not sure when, but hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet. Take care.